Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. We're going to open up this stuff. This is soundbar we ordered. This is Sony HDX 8500 soundbar. This is Dolby Atmos vertical surround engine 2.1 channel with built-in subwoofer. This is Sony Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision, DTS visual vertical surround engine 2.1 built-in subwoofer S-Force Pro. Okay. Nice packaging. So this is the power cable with the remote control. This is also part of the power cable, and battery for the remote control in here. Nice. So this one, optical cable, is included with this one in the packaging, which is handy. Wow, this is very heavy. Look at that. This is what we have here. Wow, amazing stuff. Let's see what. Wow. Steel iron at the back. Let's see what it looks like. Wow, amazing. Got two center speaker here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, and center speaker. We say 4 in total. But let's see what it looks like. So you got a speaker here and another speaker to the corner, and another one here, and optical. So you have TV in optical is the first one. Now I have HDMI in and HDMI out, TV EAC. Okay, so this is HDMI in, and this one is HDMI TV EAC here. See what it looks like. And the power cable goes here. This is a powerful soundbar, HDX 8500 soundbar. 2.1 channel soundbar. Just gonna tell you a bit of information about this soundbar. All-in-one soundbar with Dolby Atmos. All-in-one soundbar with Dolby Atmos. 2.1 channel. Support high resolution audio with 4K pass-through, Dolby audio, built-in subwoofer, HDMI and optical cable. This soundbar deserves your attention. It puts you at the center of action with Sony visual surround engine. Hear dialogue loud and clear thanks to Dolby Atmos and DTS. Watch blockbuster in stunning quality with 4K pass-through. You enjoy your music wire-free with via Bluetooth connection. This gear puts you at the center. Hear dialogue loud and clear. This is what we got here in terms of the specification. So this soundbar is 2.1 channel soundbar, Dolby Atmos, Dolby Digital, Dolby True HD, DTS HD Master Audio and DTX. Then you can also select the preset mode: auto sound, cinema, music, game, sports, standard, sound effect, night mode, and this is 4K pass-through, high resolution audio support, connection via Bluetooth 5.0, input HDMI ARC and optical, output HDMI ARC. You can configure this soundbar using USB cable, and it deserves your attention. We're just gonna measure the soundbar. So this soundbar, okay, from this end to this end is 89 centimeter. 89 centimeter, and from here is 9.5 centimeter. 9.5 centimeter. So this is Sony HTX 8500 2.1 channel soundbar with Dolby Atmos. Let's see what it looks like. This gear deserves your attention with built-in subwoofer. Let's see, built-in subwoofer. This is nice and powerful. Okay, so guys, I want to set this up. So just gonna plug this on to the power. Okay, once you plug it in, then plug it to the socket. Okay, and you can see the light is on. Okay, now what you need to do is the remote control. Okay, push it down, then put the battery in. This is 3.A battery is included. 3.A battery. Okay, so push it negative to one end and positive to the other end. Okay, and this in. Now this is the on. Okay, and you can see it's showing us in the TV, so we use the remote control to select the input. This is TV. Okay, and let's see. So use the remote control to select the input. Now I can see it's in HDMI. Now it's in Bluetooth. You can see Bluetooth light is highlighting. Okay, Now what we need to do is we need to go to our mobile device. Okay, but before we connect this to Bluetooth, just gonna do some measurement for this soundbar. Okay, from this end to here is 89 centimeter, and from the diameter is from here is 9.5 centimeter. 9.5 centimeter. Okay, so this soundbar in terms of this specification is 2.1 channel with Dolby audio, Dolby digital, Dolby true high definition, DTS HD, DTX HD master audio, DTXX. Preset mode, you can select auto, sound, cinema, music, game, sports, standard, sound effect, night mode, and voice mode. This soundbar is 4K pass-through, high resolution audio support. Connection is via Bluetooth, HDMI ARC, optical. Output is HDMI ARC. USB configuration is for using USB. Okay, this soundbar deserves your attention. It's nice soundbar with 2.1 channels soundbar. This soundbar is about 299 quid here, which is about 300 pounds. Okay, so it really a way to go. This gear put yourself at the center of action with Sony vertical surround engine. You hear dialogue loud and clear thanks to Dolby audio, thanks to Dolby Atmos and DTSL. Watch blockbuster in stunning quality with 4K HDR pass-through. Enjoy your music wire-free via Bluetooth. Whether you're watching movie or sports, this gear make your home view experience much more immersive with dual built-in subwoofer. So got the subwoofer at the back here. Okay, so this is the subwoofer, built-in subwoofer at the back. Okay, so with dual subwoofer, okay, at the center you can feel all the tension of an upcoming battles sequence or rumbling of the stadium or match of the day. So basically depend on what you really want to depend on music you are enjoying. If you are watching match of the day, you can hear the rumbling. So pretty much the sound quality, the audio, okay, is very clear. Hear dialogue loud and clear. Imagine watching TV with regular speaker where the dialogue and soundtrack are battling for center stage. So this one is nice. Okay, so with Sony XT HDX 8500 feature Dolby Atmos DTS technology, so you can hear everything, every single word of it. Dolby Atmos split audio to create a realistic visual 3D sound experience. Now to connect this to your mobile device, so we put this soundbar, okay, to Bluetooth mode. So switch it on and use the input to select the Bluetooth, and you can see Bluetooth light is flashing. Okay, so we're going to use our mobile device and look for available Bluetooth device. So go to Bluetooth device and search for available device. Scroll down, you can see HTX 8500 series. Select on it and Bluetooth request, select pair. And it's connected. If you look on the soundbar, you can see a blue light, steady blue light. So this soundbar now is connected. So we're going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. So we'll go to Epidemic Sound. So this is Epidemic Sound. Is a royalty-free music for content creator. This is the audio. Select music. So you can use the remote. hook this up using optical cable. Optical cable is included in the packaging, but if you want to connect it with HDMI, then you need to buy the cable separate. Okay, so this optical cable goes in. Okay, you see optical, TV optical, TV in optical. Okay, and it's in. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to set this up to TV. So I'm going to do this using LG TV. Okay, so take this end to optical and it's in. Okay, so push it to optical. This is audio optical. Okay. Now the next thing we need to do is to connect the TV to the socket.
Very good, it's 2. Normal volleyball leg.
So this is the TV audio. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to switch the soundbar on. So switch the soundbar on. Okay, so now I'm going to switch the soundbar on. Or plug the soundbar to the socket. Okay, so plug the soundbar onto the socket. Okay, and the light is on. Okay, the next we need to do is use the, so plug it on. Okay, and the light is on. Okay, now it's showing Bluetooth. So use the input to select. Use the input. Now it's showing Bluetooth. This is TV. Okay, so now it's in TV. Okay, so when you put it optical, you need to select TV. Okay, now then we need to go to the TV settings, scroll down to the speaker, select speaker, scroll to the side and look for optical, select on it. This is the audio.
You could be one of our 60,000 winners every week. It's totally free to play with no deposit or wagering requirements.
This is the audio.
Come join the fun for free.
So this is how to hook this up. Okay, now you can see it's got, you need to select it, go back again to the TV, use the input, make sure you select TV. This is the audio. This is the audio.
Help us give more people the care of a Marie Curie nurse.
I wish my grandma was better.
We can help you write or amend your will for free and add one last wish. A special gift for Marie Curie nurses and the people who need them. Help to give more people their last wish.
Beautiful. So this is how to hook this up.
Search Marie Curie will.
So this is how to connect this to your TV.
An investigation by Another Reports has revealed a stark increase in mental health call-outs by people who have run the police. It's believed between 20 and 40% of police time is spent dealing with mental health-related calls and incidents. The increase has led to a new approach to tackle the issue using...
Let me know what you think, guys. This is how to hook this up to your TV using optical cable.
If the police are involved without the